Hey guys, I hope you guys had a happy holiday season, whatever holiday you guys happen to celebrate, and I hope you have had a happy new year. Now this video isn't really anything too special, it's just a simple little project that really anybody can build. It's not really how to, but it's just more kind of showing off, what you can do with this. It's just a simple fire poker. It's cheap and it's easy to build, and if you don't have a lot of experience welding, it gets you some under the hood time, or seat time, if you will. Now you can take the design that I'm doing, which is really simple, and take it to any length that you want. You can make it really fancy, or you can make it even more simple than the one I did. Mine is just a basis, you can copy it if you want, but I highly recommend to add your own creative twist to it. Now I think I've talked on for long enough, let's just get right into the video. And that's going to be it for this video. I really think that this whole fire poker project went really smoothly, considering I threw it together in about half an hour. The only real problems that I had were some porosity and inclusion, which I did grind out, but that was due to the fact that this metal was extremely dirty. These rebar rods have been outside for years, and I didn't bother to even clean them with a flap disc before I started welding. which I highly recommend if you guys, any of you watching this, decide to do this project. I highly recommend at least running it over with a flap disk or cleaning it more, depending on which welding process you're using. I was trying to use 7018. I used 2 different brands, and I just got porosity and a really big inclusion in one of the welds, and I got porosity in multiple welds, so I just gave up and switched over to 6011. Could have been avoided by cleaning it, but hindsight is 2020. Anyways, that's about it from me. I'm sorry that this video was really late. I know it's been a few months. I am working on something else. It's not for this channel. I'll probably keep you guys posted at some point. I do promise that I will upload another video before the end of January. You have my word on that one. Anyways, that's all from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.